open SPSS software, and you must have the proper data, that is two variables. You must have two variables. In variable view, you can apply any changes on this data, and you can see the on data level on data is year, and the other end is other on is data, that is the value. Okay, and in the data view, datasheet view, you can see the year data is given, and on the other hand, the data has been provided, uh, and you can see the data. Yearly data is given in a year is in a yearly basis. And to perform bivariate analysis, you need to click on Analyze, then go to Correlate tab, and then select Bivariate. Here, a bivariate correlations pop-up window will come, and the data is to be added towards writer section, and here I am going to add this data. And now click on this options and select the statistics, mean and standard deviations, and cross product deviation and variances, then okay. Again, correlation, under correlation coefficient tab, click, you need to select any on method. I am checking Carl Pearson method, and from test of significance you can choose two tailed or on tailed. Okay, here I have chosen on tailed, and check in flag significant correlations, then okay. Here the correlation has been calculated. You can see that the year of sampling and data, and from the descriptive statistics you can see the mean, standard deviation, etc. And from correlation, the Pearson correlation is given, and on tail significance, and the data from the data view, the Pearson correlation is also given, minus 0.524. On the other hand, you can see the data has been calculated on the basis of on-tail method, that is 0.182, and from the in the same way, in the data tab, the data has been calculated minus 5.2 minus 5.524 and 0.182. From this data, after the calculation is over, you may graphically, to represent graphically this bivariate result, you may click on graphs, then click on legacy dialog, and then select line pi, and then select scatter plot, and simply select simple scatter, that is the first option, simple scatter. I have selected simple scatter, and then define a simple scatter plot tab will come up, and you need to provide data wisely, that is which data will be given in y-axis and which data will be given in x-axis. The dependent is given in y-axis, and independent will be given and will be added on x-axis. And from options tab, you may select your wishable, and then click on OK. Here the graph has been created. You can see the graph in the x-axis, the year of sampling year, which is independent data variables, and on the other hand, on the y-axis, the data is plotted against the year, that is which is dependent variable. So you can see the correlations between two variables. After By double clicking on the graph, you can apply and modify any kind of changes you need to modify. And from the add feed line at total, or to fit a correlation curve, or you can select any curve. The method is mean, linear, quadratic. Here I am selecting linear, and then click on apply. You can see the correlations. Here you can see the R squared value is being calculated, and the linear correlation is given. You can see there is negative correlation between these two variable is shown, and the squared value is 0.275, which is quite acceptable. You need to add the data and year of sampling. You can see the dependent and the factor. Then click on OK, and you can see the model fitting information, likelihood ratio test, parameters estimates has been calculated on the basis of these two variables. And you can select pseudo r square value, and the others value has been calculated, which has been calculated, you need to collect. From this result, you may select or copy your need.